products required for this treatment are 2 sets of adhesive pads and watermelon cream. Firstly, apply the pads to the client's body. The butterfly pads are used on the centre of the body and will be connected to the electromuscular stimulation connections on the Medilift machine. The longer rectangular pads will be connected to the contours current on the Medilift machine. These are applied on the outside of the body, either on the waist or on the hip. With this client, as you can see, we are focusing on the waist area. We have applied 3 sets of contours pads on either side of the waist. As you can see on the center of the body, we have at this stage applied 2 pads on the abdomen, which will be connected to the EMS current. We will also be applying 2 sets of EMS pads to the inner thighs. As we will be splitting the Diamond Medilift machine into 2 separate currents being performed at the same time during this procedure, we will be applying the EMS currents to the central part of the body. This will facilitate the lymphatic drainage which is necessary for maximum inch loss. Once the pads have been applied to the body, following the format we have shown in this demonstration, you will then attach the coloured cables to each pad. When the Medilift machine is split, as shown in this demonstration, the first 6 currents will become contouring and the second 6 will become EMS. Here we are showing how you will attach the contouring cables to the pads on the waist of this client. When doing so, the first pad on the upper part of the body will be positive and negative. The second pad in the middle of this formation will be all positive. And the third pad at the base of the formation will be all negative. The reason behind this methodology is because we want to form a band to facilitate the breakdown of the fat in this area. When attaching the second 6 cables, which are the EMS cables, to the pads, you must follow a formation where the positive pad is higher than the negative. So the red will always be higher than the black. When setting the machine, you must turn the Diamond Medilift on, select Body Contouring, select PPS. The PPS chart can be found in your Medilift training manual, and as our client is a fit young woman, we have selected Tone. To ensure client comfort, you can reduce the sound of the machine. For most other clients, you would select Standard. Turning each knob on, you will be asking your client if she is feeling some sensation in each pad. Once you have turned each pad on to around 1 or 2, then you will resume turning up each current until your client has reached her maximum comfort level. As you turn each current up, touch the pad so your client knows where to feel the sensation. After time has passed, you can again increase the level of each pad. To maximize the treatment, your client can be encouraged to have the machine at the maximum comfort level. This will facilitate the most beneficial results for your client. At the completion of the treatment, when the machine will give 4 beeps to signal the end of the program, please turn each dial off before removing the pads. When removing the pads, remove each cord from the cable first before removing the pads from the client's body. At the completion of the treatment, and to maximize the results and the texture of the skin, apply the watermelon cream.